In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Tasks with Google Calendar. This is a great way to streamline your daily planning and ensure you're always on track with your tasks and deadlines. So let's jump right in and make sure you're using these tools to their full potential. To start, you'll want to open Google Calendar. Once there, look to the right-hand side panel for the Google Tasks icon. The icon you're looking for is a small blue check mark inside a circle. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This action will open the Tasks panel on the right hand side of your screen. The panel is your hub for managing all your tasks and to-do lists right alongside your calendar events. Now that you have the Tasks panel open, you can begin creating new tasks. To do this, click on the button labelled Add a Task. This allows you to craft a new entry for any task you need to keep an eye on. As you create a task, give it a clear title and any necessary details. This information helps ensure that you know exactly what needs to be done at a glance, which is incredibly helpful on busy days. Next, you'll want to assign your task a deadline. This is done by clicking on the calendar icon. Here you can set a date and even specify a time. By doing this, your tasks will be organized chronologically on your Google Calendar. Once you've added all the necessary details and set the time, click on Done. This saves your task, and just like that, you've integrated it into your calendar. You'll notice that tasks with due dates now appear directly on your Google Calendar grid on the days they are due. This is a fantastic way to offer you a visual representation of what your week looks like and helps ensure you manage your time effectively. One of the benefits of using Google Tasks is the ability to create multiple lists, helping you categorize and organize tasks better. For example, you might have separate lists for work, personal tasks, and ongoing projects. To create these lists, navigate within the Tasks panel. This categorization is particularly useful if you have a variety of ongoing responsibilities. Lastly, if you ever need to check your tasks outside of Google Calendar, there's a straightforward way to do this. Simply head over to tasks.google.com. Here, you'll find all your tasks from Google Calendar neatly listed, making it easy to review or update them as needed. This seamless integration between Google Tasks and Calendar ensures that you have access to your schedule and responsibilities clearly and efficiently across devices. And there you have it, a complete guide to integrating Google Tasks with Google Calendar. By following these steps, you'll enhance your productivity and keep all your important tasks aligned with your daily or weekly schedule. Thanks for watching, and I hope this integration helps you stay organized.